What is up guys, done at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your audio ID public in Roblox. So first you need to head over to the Roblox website and then you need to log in with your Roblox account's credentials, and after that when you're redirected to the home page, at the top you can see this create button. Click on this create, and after clicking on create, a new window will appear. From here you just simply need to go to creations. After clicking on creations, here you will see the option of development items. Click on that and then click on audio. After clicking on audio, you first need to upload your audio. So just click on upload asset. And after clicking on upload asset, you just simply need to name your audio. And after that, you need to add a description, and you just need to upload your audio file from here. And after when you have uploaded your audio here, you will see the your audio in the audio section. So just simply give it a click. And after clicking here, when you will scroll down a bit, and then you will see under the settings section the option to distribute on Creator Store. So you just need to turn this toggle on. But before turning this toggle on, you need to get the approval to distribute your audio ID. So to get that, you just simply need to click on this submit for review here on the right side, and then you need to submit your audio for review. After that, when the audio reviewing is done, you can just turn this toggle on and then you can share your audio ID in public. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.